What's up? I'm Vaughn, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and get started with crypto by installing a software wallet to your browser. In this video we're going to use Metamask. So what we're going to do is we're just going to do a Google search for Metamask, M-E-T-A-M-A-S-K, and it should be the very first thing that pops up. It's metamask.io, so we're going to click on that. And then all we're going to do is we're just going to click this download now button, and we're going to pick our operating system. I'm using Google Chrome, so I'm going to go ahead and install this on Google Chrome. I'm going to click the install button, I'm going to click add to Chrome here, and then I'm just going to click add extension, and I'm going to let it do its thing. Alright, now if you don't know what a crypto wallet is, well, I have a video that's actually explaining that, but it's just basically a wallet for you to keep your cryptocurrency in. Metamask is what's called a software wallet, and it is a custodial wallet, meaning that you actually own the crypto inside your wallet. It's your wallet address, and you actually own all that crypto inside your wallet. It is a software wallet and not a hardware wallet, so it is a software wallet. And MetaMask specifically is a wallet that is a Google Chrome extension, and there's apps for your smartphone as well. So we've went ahead and installed MetaMask, and what we're going to do is what I like to do all the time once I install something. I like to just pin it on my taskbar up here. So now that we've installed MetaMask, it's asking us to go ahead and get started. So we're just going to click this Get Started button here. And now it's giving us two different options. It says New to MetaMask. No, I already have a secret recovery phrase. So if you're already using MetaMask and you've already installed it on this computer or that computer and you already have a MetaMask wallet, you're going to use this option over here, and that's going to allow you to go ahead and import your secret recovery phrase. Alright, now I am just going to assume if you're watching this video, you probably don't have a software wallet, probably kind of new to crypto. So what we're going to do is we're going to click this button over here that says, yes, let's get set up. This will create a new wallet for you and a new secret recovery phrase. So we're going to go ahead and click this Create to Wallet. And here's a message here that's pretty important. So it's basically letting you know some privacy information about MetaMask. You can go ahead and read that. I'm just going to click I agree and continue. So here it's going to ask you to put in a password. You can put in whatever password that you want. I'm just going to actually put in password because I'm going to not use this wallet after I show you how to set everything up. Alright, so now we're going to hit create. So here is a video that they want you to watch about your secret recovery phrase and how to keep your wallet safe. Alright, basically what this video is going to tell you is that your secret recovery phrase is very, very important, and it's very, very secret. Okay, this is a phrase that is going to allow anyone who has access to this phrase to essentially import your wallet and have control over your wallet. So you can think, you know, if you're a man and you have a physical wallet, if you're a purse and you have, you know, or if you're a woman and you have a purse or whatever, if you give somebody the secret recovery phrase, or if someone finds the secret recovery phrase, it's just like them physically having access to your physical wallet, where they can just take all the money out of your wallet if they want. So again, I want to stress to you that the secret recovery phrase is very, very, very important. You should never share it with anybody. You should never give it to anybody. You should never put it on a website. If anybody ever asks you for this phrase, they are probably trying to scam you and steal your money. This is very secret. You should never give this phrase to anybody. The only time you should ever actually use this phrase is, for example, after you've created your MetaMask wallet. If you're going to a new computer or you want to install MetaMask on your phone and you want to actually import your wallet, then the app is going to ask you for that secret recovery phrase so that it can actually log into your wallet, authenticate into your actual wallet, okay? But any websites or any tech support person, if they ever ask you for that secret recovery phrase, they are trying to scam you. Keep in mind, if you give that to somebody or if somebody finds that, they have full access to your wallet. They can withdraw all your funds. They can take all your money. So it's very secret. You really need to keep that secure. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and click Next here. And then here it's going to ask us to click to review these words. And I'm just going to save these here. I'm just actually going to save these here. In there. So I'm saving these in here. And I'm going to save this as test metamask phrase. So I'm going to save these as test metamask phrase. I am letting you guys see them because, again, like I said, I will never actually use this wallet. I'm not going to send any money to this wallet. This wallet is never going to get used again after this training video. So I don't really care if you guys see this phrase because I will not be putting any money into this wallet for any reason whatsoever because everybody on the internet can see this phrase. All right, keep in mind, again, I want to stress to you, this phrase right here is very, very important. If your computer crashes, let's say you have $1 million in your Metamask wallet and your computer crashes, the only way you're going to get access to that wallet again is through this recovery phrase. So what I do is I have a couple books where I have this written down that are hidden inside my house, and then I have some flash drives where I have a copy of my secret recovery phrase inside those flash drives as well, and I have several copies of this phrase so that if I ever lose access to my wallets or all my computer crashes or I get a new phone, I can go in and actually get access to my wallet, okay? So again, I want you to make sure that you keep this phrase super secure and you have it in a place where if you ever need it, you will be able to access it, because if you lose this phrase and then you also lose access to wherever your wallet was installed on, you've lost access to your wallet, which means you've lost access to all your money, and you obviously don't want to do that. Alright, so I've saved it, so I'm just going to hit next, and now it's going to ask me to put in that information. So we're going to put in that information: giant describe script amateur, giant describe script amateur, payment lesson catch-up C, payment lesson catch-up C, myth general now duty, myth general now duty, and we're going to hit confirm. Congratulations. I've got everything set up. Alright, so now I've got everything all set up. So now I have my Metamask wallet all set up. Right now the only thing that it's actually connected to is the Ethereum network. And you can see I have no Ethereum inside my account yet. So a couple things you need to know. Up here you have, for your account, you have your actual wallet address. So we can go in here and pop in this wallet address right here. This is our wallet address. We can go in and we can go to Etherscan, and we can actually pop in this wallet address in here. And you can see this is a wallet address right here. It has a balance of 0. And hasn't made any transactions yet whatsoever. So your wallet address you don't have to actually keep secure. So it's not a problem if people know your wallet address, and in fact every wallet address is public information and you can find them on the internet. So you don't have to keep your wallet address secure. It doesn't really matter if someone has your wallet address. All they can do is send you stuff to your address, okay? So it doesn't matter if somebody has your address. But it is very important that you keep that secret recovery phrase a secret, and you have it saved places where if you ever need to recover your wallet, you can recover your wallet with that secret phrase. Alright, so another thing you can do in here is you can go in and actually create new accounts. So you can go in and create a new account 2, and all these accounts will actually be attached to your wallet. Okay? So you can see now you have 2 different accounts here, and these accounts are actually attached to your wallet. In other videos, we're going to get more in depth into MetaMask and different things that you can do inside MetaMask. But now you actually have MetaMask installed, and now what we're going to do, I want you to see that we've created 2 accounts here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to basically remove MetaMask from Google Chrome, and now we're going to essentially add MetaMask to Google Chrome again. So we've just deleted our wallet off of our computer. Now we're going to add our wallet back to our computer again, and I'm going to show you what you can use that secret recovery phrase for. That I want to stress to you, you keep a secret. and you don't tell anybody, you don't publish it on the internet, you don't save it in Google Drive, you save it physical hard copies somewhere where you can access it. All right? So I've reinstalled Metamask. I get the same thing again. All right, so we're going to go ahead and click Started, get started. But now what we're going to do is, instead of starting from scratch, we're going to go ahead and import an existing wallet. So we're going to go ahead and click Import, and we're going to click I agree. And so it's asking you for a secret recovery phrase. So we have our secret recovery phrase here. So we're going to put that secret recovery phrase inside there. There's our secret recovery phrase that we've put inside there. And this is why you really need to keep this safe, because if somebody else knows your secret recovery phrase, all they have to do is go install MetaMask and then basically import your secret recovery phrase, and they instantly have access to everything in your wallet, which means that they can take all the money out of your wallet and send it to their wallet. All right? So it's going to ask us for a new password. And we're going to hit import. And now my wallet has actually been imported. So I'm all done here. My wallet's actually been imported here. The one thing I want you to understand though is when I've done this, my other account that I created has not actually been imported. Okay? So whatever was there in my other account, I've lost my other account. So you can import another account, but you're going to have to do that with a private key or a JSON file. So how you would essentially do that is, let's create another account. Call it new account 2. We're going to create it. So whenever you create these new accounts, you can see right here is a new account. What we're going to do is we're going to go to account. Now I want you to actually understand as well. Let's look here at account 1. Let's copy our wallet address and paste our wallet address down here. And then let's switch over to account 2, copy our wallet address, and paste our wallet address here. Now hopefully you can see here, right here behind me, these are two completely separate wallet addresses. All right? So you can clearly see by looking at the top wallet address and looking at the second wallet address, they're completely different. All right? So when we created that second wallet address the first time, and then we deleted MetaMask, and then we've actually reinstalled MetaMask and initialized it using our recovery phrase, we lost access to that second address. Okay, so if we had any money in there, it's gone. So how can we prevent that from happening? What we're going to do is we're going to go to this second account, and we're going to go to account details, and we're going to export our private key. It's going to ask us for a password, and we're going to hit confirm. And here's our private key. Now this private key you also never want to disclose to anybody. Okay? It says right here, never disclose this key. Anyone with your private key can steal assets held in your account. So we're going to put that private key in right there. There's our private key. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go in and actually delete MetaMask again. And this video is almost over, I promise. We're going to remove this and delete MetaMask. And then we're going to install MetaMask again. Okay, we've got MetaMask installed. And it's going to go through the same process. Let's go through the same process. Let's import a wallet. Let's come up here and grab our secret recovery phrase. Let's put in a password. And let's agree to their terms and service. And congratulations, we've imported our wallet. Now we're all done. Now again, I want you to look up here at our accounts. You can see there's only account 1. There is no account 2. So if we want to get account 2 that we've created, then we're going to go ahead and import account. And we're going to import an account from a private key. We're going to grab our private key for our second account here. and we're going to paste that in, and we're going to hit import. So now I've got my account 2. You can see, here's my account 2. So I've got my account 2. You can see this was actually been imported, and we can verify that it is actually the account that we exported just by coming over here in our second account and paste that here, and you can see these two addresses here are exactly the same address. So I want you to keep in mind, never share your private keys with anybody. Never share your recovery phrase with anybody. Never, ever. It's bad. They can steal all your stuff. All right? And if you create multiple accounts in Metamask, so you don't have to, but you can create multiple accounts to use them for different things. And if you create multiple accounts in Metamask, every new account that you create, you need to save the private key for that account somewhere, because if you don't, and you lose access to that wallet, you lose access to that computer, and you have to start from scratch, and you have to reinstall Metamask and import a wallet from your, your secret recovery phrase up here, it's only going to import the main account. And to get access to any of those other accounts, you're going to have to import those from your private key. All right? So if you create multiple accounts, you need to actually make sure you go through the process that I showed you to export your private key and save your private key, so that if you have to restart and reinitialize Metamask and basically use your secret recovery phrase to get access to your wallet again, it's only going to give you access to the main account. If you want access to any of your other accounts, you're going to have to actually import them using the private key. All right, so hopefully this gives you a quick understanding of Metamask, how to install it. And the next video, I'm going to show you how to go in and add different blockchain networks like Ethereum, like AVAX or Binance Smart Chain or Polygon, how you can actually add those networks to Metamask and use those blockchains with Metamask, because right now you only have the Ethereum main net. So I'll show you how to do that in the next video.